In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the date and time on Windows, including the date. If the date is the wrong format, I'll show you how you can change that as well. So what you need to do is go to Start in the bottom left-hand corner, then head over to Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to Time and Language, and here we can click on Date and Time. Here you've got Set Time Zone automatically. If you check this on, it will set it. If you turn this off, you can then choose your time zone. You can also go one below it to set time automatically. And if you toggle this off, you can then go ahead and click change and then set any time and date that you like. Now, if your date format is wrong, for example, I'm using the UK format, but let's say you want to switch to the US one. To change this, you need to go to region in the top right-hand corner. From here, you'll be able to see country or region. And then below that, you'll see regional format. Your regional format is what's going to display the date. So if you're using the UK format, it will be date, month, year. If you're using the US format, it will change to month, day, year. So as you can see, when I change it, it changes in the bottom right-hand corner. Once you've made changes, you can also go back to the date and time setting here, and you can then click sync now, and this will sync any changes you've made through time zone and dates. Hope that was helpful and cleared up any questions. Let me know in the comments if it was.